Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
I am so sorry.
Oh, my. This is... I'm sorry, I just totally lied. I'm shaking.
And I'm stirred.
And this is Shaken and Stirred
Gaming.
Gaming. I just was... Oh, my.
Sorry. I meant to get that out before it started, but it's a little slow.
That gave... If we have any...
Hey, how you fellas doing?
Yeah. If for all of our butch straight people and our lesbians watching, that gave them like a chubby. It gave the lesbians a lady boner, and it gave the butch straight men a
I don't want to talk about that one.
yeah.
Let's not.
Here
not
we
talk
go.
About that one.
Hell, it kind of got me a little excited.
Do you need a health kit? I need.
I'm going to pick up my big butch assault rifle, even though I can't burp like Sissy here.
Well, when you're raised in an area full of nothing but boys, what do you expect?
Yeah, I was such a big butch influence on you. Moving right along. Ah, we got bitches coming in the door.
Sorry, I opened it.
What? How'd you let her get past you?
All
right. So as you can see, we are back at the garage. No,
not
not the garage sale. We're
not
almost
quite.
there.
We're at the garage sale.
But we're at the safe house, and our next point of where we know where the hell we are is the garage sale. Oh, but we're gonna have to take some cover.
Over here, towards the boat.
In the boot. Get in the boot.
I don't think.
I wish we could fucking like take that boat and just sail it where the. We don't need Virgil. We got a boat right here.
We got our boat.
What the hell do we need Virgil? We got a boat. Relax. Sometimes you just gotta kind of wait till it settles down a little, because you really can't see shit.
No.
I see you.
What? Where? Don't get me. I'm fragile. Don't get me. Look where? I don't see anything.
Reloading.
Oh. Who shot that? Thanks. So, as you can see, the streets are now flooded as hell.
And you move slower whenever you're walking through standing water. Yeah, come on. Damn it, Shaken!
What?
Oh, crap. Got it. Yeah.
I remember that porch light.
Nick remembers the porch light.
Yes. God bless you, Nick, for remembering that porch light.
Look.
Oh, I'm moving so much faster now.
Oh, back inside. Oh, and it is just dirty stank water in these places. Ooh, but I found something. What is this? Oop, I got something.
I'm going in the bathroom. There ain't no holes in this bathroom.
Everybody grab some incendiary ammo.
Ooh, this bathroom's got a shower. Look at this. This bathroom's got a...
Do you want some incendiary ammo, or do you want to, like, go house shopping?
Stuffing sounds pretty good.
Really? It's under, like, 2 feet of water. I think that's definitely going to have some, Oh, shit. Oh. Well, at least the jockey rode me out of the green shit, so that was kind of fortuitous.
I don't know who got that.
Reloading.
I got the spitter.
Okay.
Cool. Ooh. It's so good, but it's so creamy.
Hey! Yeah! That would be a problem.
Plus, there's like half a bottle of rum in here. Ooh.
Want a problem?
No, not at all. Not at all.
What's up, brah? Now you on fire, brah.
Ah!
Keep them warm.
Okay, so that was the garage sale. Backyard.
Monkeys! Monkeys! Ah. Fire on Ellis.
Reloading.
And of course, there's the witch.
The witch!
Somewhere.
Witchy witch! Witchy witch. You know, I think they really just need to take a vacation on the beach. I think just some rest and relaxation. Do them good. Maybe some sun. Yeah, I think some sun would do them a lot of good. Actually.
Well, they're already in they're already in their, panty bathing suit.
I think that would do them some good.
Reloading.
Really? Is now the right time, Rachel?
Oh shit, we gotta go in somewhere. Oh shit, I just ran right up on her. I don't know why she came after Coach, but I just literally ran up all on her junk. I mean, it was pretty bad. Trying to get in out of the rain, and I just ran up all over her. That was pretty bad.
All right. Now the rain's done.
But sorry about that, Coach. I owe you a beer later.
It's okay. Get a health kit.
Damn, there's another one of these bitches.
Yeah? Remember?
Oh. Shit.
Trying, you move slower than sludge.
Dude, you don't look so good. Let me help you up. I owe you one ticket.
Mm-mm.
Never get out of the boat. Never get out of the boat. Never get out of the...
You shall.
All right.
I'm gonna heal.
So, back across the playground.
Broken trees.
That's what I think about this playground.
Safe house down the street. Incoming. Y'all know you shot me, right?
Bye, y'all. Bye, Felicia.
Why is it closed? Ah.
Get your ass in here.
Come on, Sheeran.
Around, let's get
Let's go,
inside.
let's go, let's go. Move it. Move it.
Reloading.
All right.
All right.
All right.
All right. So now we are on to the finale. The finale.
On to... Is it the finale? Town... Yeah, I think it is.
Town Escape. Finale.
I guess it is.
So
All
please stick around for part 5, the town finale.
Finale.
The town escape. The finale. Well, hopefully Virgil will be back with his boat. If he doesn't,
And we'll get to poop out of here.
we get to poop out of here. But Virgil better be there with his boat.
We got the gas. All we need is Virgil's boat.
Mm-hmm.
All right. See y'all later.